If you are wondering if you can use the pop-up view or floating windows mode on POCO X8 Pro, then the answer is yes. And in order to start using it, we have a couple of ways to do so. You can, for example, open an app and then go to Recent or Background Apps, press and hold your finger on the app, and then we need to find this rectangle within a rectangle. So tap on this button to activate floating window mode. And there we go, we can drag it around, we can adjust the size and so on and so forth, or you can tap on these three dots in order to find some couple of additional options. Besides that, if you use the smart sidebar, or just sidebar I guess, then over here if you open any app whatsoever from here, then it is going to be opened in the pop-up view. Also, if you receive like a little notification in the form of a bar at the top of the screen, then you can slide it down in order to open the app in the pop-up view as well. And in addition to that, if you use gestures for navigation, you can actually slide from the bottom towards the upper right corner. And as you can see here, we have this floating Windows mode button, so we can just drop it over here, our app that we had just opened, and it is going to be opened in the floating Windows mode as well. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.